Attendees are in listen-only mode.
Hello, everybody. This is Daniel from SqueezeMobi. We got a great Q&A session lined up for you guys today. We want to say welcome to all the new SqueezeMobillionaires today, and yeah, guys, we're really excited to get you guys, up and going on your, mobile campaigns and things like that. So, that's what I'm here to do today is basically show you guys basically how to create mobile websites, but not just that, also how to basically, get your advertiser account set up and basically so you can go in there and access all of your tools and everything like that. So, before I just start off, let me just go ahead and just go ahead and write in the chat box if you guys can hear me all right, and go ahead and just drop some Y's in there, and let me know, and I'll go ahead and get everything started and try to get you guys questions answered today. And all right, sounds great, everybody. And by the way, I'm in Los Angeles today, so it's around 11 o'clock in the morning, my time. So I just want to say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. I know we got some, we got a lot of users from around the world. So I'm just going to do a little quick introduction about myself today. So if you guys can see my screen, I'm going to go ahead and start this little presentation that I got going for you guys. But mostly what I'm going to do for you guys today is basically, I'm going to do a lot of screen sharing and just demoing. But just do a little quick introduction on myself. I've been in internet marketing for quite some time now. I've had quite some struggle in the past. However, there was 2 years ago when I stumbled upon mobile marketing, and really, it's kind of like how where you guys are at right now. I kind of started off around maybe about 2 years ago with mobile marketing, and from there, it really shifted my business. I was able to um, quadruple my income literally within the next month, offering these type of mobile services to these people that and businesses that really need our help. And it's so crazy right now how maybe like 50% of the businesses out there still don't even have a mobile website. So like, and then when you look at their mobile presence, about 90% of them don't even have that. So basically, I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of insight. I'm married to my beautiful wife Sandy here. Been married for about a year and a half. I have a son, 5 years old. I've been working from home since 2012, and really since I've been doing mobile marketing, I've been able to really just live the lifestyle that I really wanted, which is working from home, being with my family, being with your friends, and just living life and living the way you want to live it, right? So why are you guys doing this mobile marketing business? It's really probably because you want to have a better lifestyle to earn better income. So maybe you can step away from that job that you guys don't like, and this is basically what, I wanted to share with you guys is, how really changed my business. It's allowed me to work from home, spend more time with the family, and it's not really about the money at the end of the day. It's what the money can provide, which is the freedom. And so hopefully today, I can give you guys some insight about mobile marketing. I'm not just going to be training you guys on stuff that I just learned out of the book. I'm actually out there in the field. I've actually, and I'll show you guys a little bit of background on myself. I've ranked #1 in Los Angeles for the best mobile app developer. So if you guys want to Google it, you can Google best mobile app developer in Los Angeles, and I'll pop up in the bottom, on the first page of Google, basically out of like 4 million competitors, and that in itself, I don't really have to do too much marketing, and that's called positioning. So that's just some little bit of stuff that I'm going to teach you guys later on. Being a member of Squeeze Mobile Billionaires, I'm going to give you guys a lot of insights, a lot of tips and tricks on how I get mobile clients and how you guys are going to get mobile clients and bank, and get, just different strategies, guys. So, you know, so I've created mobile apps for magazines. I've worked with like, celebrities like Ricky Martin, putting them in a magazine for an app, and I've charged literally almost $2,000 for that app. I've got several projects based off of this just referral, just from this one client. So, just a little bit of insight, just I want to tell you guys that I've been there, I've done it. I've had clients in Bank of America branches, things like that. So, we've had to sign NDAs to talk about apps and agreements and things like that. So, I'm in the field, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys a lot of just the insights into the mobile industry. Okay, guys. So, if you guys pay attention to the end, I'm gonna basically give you guys a special bonus of what we put into the SqueezeMobillionaire. So um, for all of you that for all of you that are already members, I'm actually gonna tell you something extra that we put into the platform to give you guys more done for you stuff. So if you guys stay till the end, I'll let you guys know. If not, you guys are gonna have to just find it in the back, with, in the back office yourself. But if you stay to the end, I promise you, I'll give you that. So E, you're on the line. Remind me if I don't get that.
Yep,
Okay.
I'm here.
All right. Perfect.
And one thing that I would just wanted to mention real quick, if you could try to maybe make your PowerPoint full screen. I know I noticed Eric mentioning that. And second thing, yeah, that's one of the reasons we brought you in, and we wanted you to help the Squeeze Mobilionaire community because I know you have amazing experiences and you're out in the field all the time, and I think that's going to really help our members take it to the next level, whether it's from the technical perspective on how to create sites, apps, campaigns, or even on how to close those deals, and specifically mobile deals.
Yes,
So
absolutely.
go ahead, Daniel.
Thank
Thank you.
you. Thank you. Yeah, absolutely. And that's why I'm really excited, to just, bring that value to you guys, as a community member of Squeeze Mobi itself, I've wanted to help, my fellow, people out that are in our group, so what a perfect way to do that by just giving you guys all of my experiences, that what's been successful for me, and also maybe some of the things that weren't so successful, and saving you guys that time for learning in that learning curve, so to speak. So today, let's go ahead and just dive right in, okay, into this Q&A session. So E, you're on the line. Go ahead and just pay attention to the Q&A box, and I'm gonna just, if anybody has any specific question, just go ahead and let me know. Sometimes I go on a little rampage. So first of all, I want to just make a distinction really quickly between a reseller's account and an advertiser account. Okay, so you guys, the mobile consultants, as when you guys signed up as Squeeze Billionaires members, you guys are now a reseller. You as the mobile consultant, that basically is going to be the label of what it is, what it's called when you log into the platform. Okay, and then I want you to think of as all of your clients as the advertiser. So those advertiser accounts are going to be specific to, like, a doctor, Joe's restaurant, or your chiropractor or lawyer's office and things like that. Okay, so when you create these like demo accounts, or when you're creating these mobile websites, what you're going to do is you're going to create an advertiser account, and inside there you guys are going to you guys are going to create your mobile websites and access all of your mobile suite of tools and things like that. So let me just go ahead and show you guys. Okay, so let me just minimize this really quick and show you guys really quickly. If you guys want to just follow along and go to your login to mobi.com and follow along with me, basically I'll show you guys step by step how to create this advertiser account so that you can create your mobile websites. Because I know when you guys first log in, you'll get this video, which is very important. So after this webinar, you can basically, everything that I'm going to go through is kind of in this video. So if you miss anything, you guys can always go back in this and watch this video. And again, we'll also shoot you out the replay. This is being recorded, so I'll go ahead and send you guys out a replay once this is rendered. So basically, once you guys log in for the first time into your mobile platform, I want to call it, this is how it looks. Okay, this is basically your reseller's dashboard, and the way that you're gonna create your mobile websites and access that that tool is to basically go into right here where you see advertisers, and you're gonna go and create new. Okay, so basically, I'm not gonna create a new one, but I'm just gonna, I'll just fill in some dummy content real quick. Um, and for a valid email, you don't really have to create another. You don't have to have a valid email, so to speak. What you guys can do is go to my10minutemail.com, and basically they have these temporary emails you guys can set up so that you guys can log in basically to create these advertiser accounts. Or you can create a Hotmail account, or or whatever you would like. So I would just basically create this, and okay, so basically once you fill out this form and everything like that, you don't have to worry about the package. Don't worry about this prepaid option. You can leave it checked marked, and then what you'll do is you'll create and activate. I already created and activated one. Okay, so I will show you guys how to access that once you do that. So once you create and activate, um, you now can go to here in under advertisers where it says manage. If you click that and then you click show all, you can access the account. So I have a review account that I've already set up, and then you guys see this little life what do you call it, little lifesaver underneath support. If you click that, you'll be able to log in directly into your advertiser account, or you can log in directly from the main login screen as well with the login credentials you just created. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Do we have any questions so far at this point? So right now, basically, I'm at the advertisers account. So as you can see, I have my mobile apps and mobile site builder right here. I have my text messaging suite right here. Everything that is included in the SqueezeMobillionaire suite of tools is basically in here in the advertiser account. Okay, so let's see here. Let me check here if okay, so Mark said, why didn't I select create demo? Because the demo account, what that is let's say you create a demo in there, right? And then the client says, okay, I like it. Let's go ahead and publish it. Well, if you create the demo account, it really doesn't have all of the live, I want to say that they don't have all of the live components. So when you go to update it and things like that, it might not come out correctly. So what I would do is just create and activate. You guys have a complimentary account with the new members. You guys get one complimentary account. So what you guys can do is just create the account underneath your own name, right? And then once you guys close that client or whatever client you guys have, you guys can basically switch out the credentials, the emails, or you can create another advertiser account for them so that they can log in separately. Do you know what I mean? So um, the create demo is really limited. So just do create and activate account, but just be aware that there are additional fees to create each additional advertising account, which I believe is about just refer to the pricing table in squeezemobillionaire.com/pricing. I think there's a price point for each part of the country, one for US, one for Canada, one for UK. So just
You
refer to
you mean
those.
for the advertiser account?
Yes, for the advertiser accounts.
Yep, it's $4 for the US per month per each additional advertiser account, £4 for the
Okay.
UK per month per each advertiser account. Um, uh, for all the new people that got in, you get one for free.
Okay.
All
Cool.
right. So, and like I was mentioning before, I don't necessarily recommend people I mean, create a separate account for each client unless that client wants to use the appointment manager. Keep it internal. Don't really give them access. Don't really show them your magic. But I won't tell you how to run your business. However, that's just my recommendation.
Right, and that's what I do as well. I have one advertiser account, and when I go to publish their websites and things like that, I just do that all myself. Because at the end of the day, most of the business owners that I've did a lot of deals with, they really don't have time to learn the platform and figure things out. They're just like, all right, Daniel, just here's a check, just take care of it for me. I'm like, all right, cool. So that's that. Let's see here. So as a reseller, we only need one account. That's right. And all the advertisers, we can get work under the reseller umbrella, right? So yeah, basically, once you create, let's say you do create, additional advertiser accounts, those are all umbrellaed underneath your reseller account, correct. And you can access that underneath your resellers dashboard under manage, advertisers. But all that stuff is again, if you have any questions regarding like a lot of that type of stuff, refer to your coaching.squeezemobillionaire.com. And inside there that we have literally like step-by-step video tutorials on every single thing. So basically what this session is going to be focused on primarily is how to create mobile websites and how to just access the platform. And I kind of just want to show you guys how to get up and running with mobile website building, so you guys can go out, create mock-ups, perhaps close a deal, and start getting some checks in the bank. So let me just check out some of these questions. Okay, does every SMS customer need to have an advertiser account? No, not unless you want to give them access to managing their own advertising account, or I mean text messages and campaigns and things like that. You can do that, and you can just charge them, so that you don't have to come out of pocket. Okay, so let's see. All right. Okay, so I'm just going through some of the questions. Sorry about that, guys. Let's see. Okay, so how do I create and pass a mobile website app to a client after building it into my account? Great, no problem. That's I'll go ahead and show you that, Bruce. Actually, I'll show you that at the end of when I create this mobile website. It's pretty simple. Basically, what it is we host the mobile website on a cloud server. So all you have to do is point the domain into this IP address that we have specified. So once you go to publish your mobile website, we'll give you a specific directions on how to change the IP on your respected hosting, so that you can basically have it the hosting pointed at us, so that we can show the mobile website on whatever domain you want it to point to, or subdomain. It doesn't matter. So it's pretty simple, Bruce. It's like it literally takes like 5 minutes. All you have to do is like go into the control panel and take care of that. Okay. All right. Let's see. Okay, I'm sorry about that, Carlos. Let me try to basically get you. Let me go ahead and try to explain it a little bit more in a simpler terms. So basically, what I'm gonna do today, guys, is we're gonna create a mobile website. So if you guys want to, if you guys haven't already done so, create your advertiser account, and then you could either log in through the reseller dashboard, or you could just log in through the manual login in the front. Okay, so once you get into your advertiser account, basically this is how it looks. It basically has your text messaging suite. You have your QR codes, opt-in wizard. You have every single suite of tool that you guys signed up for. So what we're going to focus on today is mobile site building. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click on the mobile site app builder, and up should come up my application for mobile app builder. Okay, so as you can see, I'm going to have, if you look at the top right, we have literally templates for almost I believe every single mobile website product we've ever created, every single mobile landing page product we ever created, and also all our mobile app, what's it called? All of the templates. So let me just show you guys some of the cool templates we got. So for the iPad, for the mobile apps, we have like literally, we have apps for like Kindles, we have apps for like magazines and books. So let me kind of just show you guys quickly, what we have back here. So we literally have like 28 pages of templates. These are all basically done for you, so that all you would have to do is just load in your information. So if you guys wanted to, let's say, if you want to check out this my wedding photo album on a this is an app basically that we can create for iPads. So let's say you guys have you guys are in the wedding niche, right? Or you know people that are in that wedding business. Now you can approach the photographer and say, hey, why don't you guys add a photo album, you know, to your business, and this is like an extra thing that you can add value on to your clients to make you pay them $1,000 more, per client. And this is so simple to basically build that all you would have to do, we give you guys the template, and all you would have to do is just customize it to however you like, switch out the logos, and publish it. And literally, in a couple of hours you can sell that app for like whatever you want. Literally most apps that I've sold for are minimum $1,000. So it's pretty cool how SqueezeMobillionaire has all of these templates, because I know nobody does this. I mean, as a mobile marketer myself, I'm gonna be quite honest with you. I've used other platforms, and as far as what I see here, what we have is that a lot of places they'll just say, all right, here's the builder, here's all the blocks, go build it yourself. What we have here is we have all the blocks already built for you into different types of projects and different types of apps, right? So all you have to do is go in, customize things, plug in, and just basically go out, close, fulfill. That way you guys can spend more time marketing and closing those clients, and just getting more deals out, instead of spending more time creating these mobile websites and mobile apps, when you guys should be just focusing on creating these deals. Okay, so let me just kind of check on the okay. All right. Is the sound okay, guys? Somebody said the sound kind of went out, so I just want to check. Okay. Okay, great. Now, let's see here. Okay. Now, all right. All right, so let me go ahead and build one of these mobile websites for you guys. All right. So I have one of these here that I kind of like. So I wanted to create kind of a restaurant theme for you guys, and show you guys how easily that you guys can just switch out logos, switch out the videos, and edit all of the elements basically with the click of a button. No, there's not really, you don't really need to know programming. You don't really need to know um, really like in depth, like HTML or anything like that. But it does help if you know a little bit. It does help make things a little bit more smoother. So okay, let me take a look here. Okay, great. So all right, thank you, Stan. All right, so let's go ahead and create this mobile website, guys. I know that a lot of you guys are kind of stuck, and this is why I wanted to get on these Q&A sessions, so that I can really help you guys just build these mobile websites. So if I were you guys, go ahead and pull up your advertising account. All right, guys, log into the mobile website builder, pull it up, and let's build like a website together. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to this restaurant right here, this restaurant template. This is basically from one of our products, Social Mobile Evolution, where we had basically all of the mobile websites created for us. So what we've done is integrated it into SqueezeMobillionaire, so that basically all you guys have to do is just go in and click around and edit a few elements, change it up. If you want to change out the logo to your restaurant, you could do that as well. Um, and I'll show you guys how to do that right over here. So when you guys are ready, all you have to do is select the template that you want. So I'm going to select this one. Okay. Okay. Um, let's see. Mark asked what page was that on? That was on page number 4 of the templates. Okay. Now page number 4 of the templates. And yes, David Cook, this this webinar will be recorded, and we'll put it in the training area in the resource area. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and move forward. All right. So after you go ahead and click use this template, basically this is what comes up, and then you can kind of look around. You can see here if you want to use it, and I really like the way this one looks. This looks pretty clean. So let's go ahead and click that. So what I'll do is I'll click use this template. Okay, guys. All right. All right. Okay. Eric asked, how did you get to the templates? Okay, so it's on this screen, Eric. If you it's on the once you log into your advertiser account. So I know that when you guys signed up, we send you guys a login credentials for your reseller account. So that's why in the beginning I said that you guys have to create your advertiser account before you can access your mobile site builder and all of the tools, basically. Okay. So to access the templates, you would click here, mobile site builder. Okay, mobile apps and sites, and then up will pop this up this little application right here. Okay. Okay, great. All right. I think somebody is unmuted, so if you guys can just mute yourself, that'd be great. Thank you. All right, so right here on application ID, I'm just gonna create a little whatever you guys want to name it. So I'm just gonna create Daniel's restaurant demo. All right, create. Okay, and because we're creating a mobile website, what you guys have to do is you would have to click this right here, mobile web app. All right, you see this right here to my right. All right, so make sure that you select this. And this is kind of like the same way you would create a mobile app. So um, let me see if I can kind of explain it correctly. Okay, so when you guys get to this screen, you guys gonna be prompted to go to all the next through all the steps but this is the steps to create a mobile app. So you're over here. You would select your next platform. Different navigations. But because we're creating a mobile website, all you would have to do is go to just go to the end, just go finish. And then basically what that does is that's going to create the mobile template for us because we're not creating the a mobile app right now, so we don't really need to mess with the navigation or the platform or things like that for right now. Okay. So once you're ready, you just click done. Okay. And then now, well, what happens is it creates this Daniel's Restaurants demo. Now it's in my apps right here. Okay, so you see right here on the top of my screen, it says my apps. If I click that, basically that's where that's going to be at. Okay, so when you create mobile websites and you use the template and you're ready to edit them, they'll be in underneath my app. So if I click that, it'll basically have all of the apps I've ever created or edited. Okay. So as you can see here, you'll see Daniel's restaurant demo. Okay. 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 Somebody asked, so for this webinar, this Q&A session, I'm gonna focus on mobile websites. But somebody asked, if we create a mobile app, do we need to create it for the iPhone and Android? And do we do this for each platform? Yes. So you would submit one for each market. Okay, you would submit, an Android, and the templates are all the same. So when you submit it, you would just submit one to Android, and you would submit one to um, iTunes. And basically, you'll see all that in the back of your coaching.squeezemobillionaire.com, and they'll have all the step-by-step video instructions on how to publish the apps and get it going. Okay, so let's go ahead and edit this mobile website. Okay, so I'll go ahead and click it right here, and that'll bring it up. So as you can see, this is the complete done for you mobile website. So if you guys want to edit that, it's pretty simple. Everything is kind of click and go. Okay, so let's say I wanted to edit the pages. I wanted to edit some of the elements, some of the videos or logos, right? So what I'll do is I'll get in here, okay? And as you see, it's already defaulted to index.html, which is this page right here, okay, guys? So it'll always default to the page you're editing. So let's go to basically when you're ready to edit, all you have to do is click this little content icon right here, and it'll allow me to bring up the little page builder. Okay, Can you guys see that? Okay. 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 All right. Okay. So basically, let's see. So see this. Let's say I wanted to edit this logo up here, right here. Okay. It's very simple. All I have to do is I just simply delete it. I just select it, delete it, and let's say I wanted to drop in, a restaurant logo, right? So let's just find one real quick um, on Yelp, just really, really quick, because just want to do it for the sake of this example, right? Let's see, restaurants. Okay, so let's go to this little guy right here, Bottega Louie. Okay, so this is kind of like how I do my business. Like, I'll go to Yelp and I'll find local businesses that have websites that are not perhaps mobile optimized, and I'll kind of look around. I'll check out the website, and it's not so great, but more than likely they don't have a mobile website. So let's just make one for them, just for the sake of this example. So what I'll do is I'll just save the image, um, and then I could just upload it. Basically, I'll just drop it into the site builder that I have right here. So as you can see to my left, you'll have a toolbox, and literally you'll have, all kinds of options. You have options to drop a video in there, add a PayPal button, even drop MP3s, audios in there, hyperlinks, Google Maps, everything and anything that you need to edit. Okay. So let's say I want to add an image, right? I'll just click this little image button, insert image. Okay. And I'll go ahead and just upload that file that I had right there. Let's see. Okay. So I'll just upload that really quick. Make sure I check mark that, and I'll just select choose, and boom, there it goes. It's dropped in there. I know it kind of looks like kind of ugly right now. Like what I would do is I would probably go into Photoshop and make this transparent so that you can see the background image through this for this mobile website. But for the sake of this example, I just want to show you guys how easily it is to just drop in another logo for any company. So if you can, so what I would do is just make sure that this logo is probably transparent before I show it to the business owner, or I send them the email, and basically let them just take a look at it, and just take a screenshot of it, and maybe do this for like 20 businesses, and just send them emails, boom, 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 and then just see whoever follows up, or maybe follow up with a phone call the next day. And this is literally how I just close deals. Like when I need when I need cash, I'm just like, all right, let's just create a bunch of mockups. Let's send out 20 businesses that are literally losing business every day. And once they see that, wow, this guy really took time to build me a complete mobile website, they're gonna be like, they're gonna be they're gonna pay attention to you. So let's see here. Okay. Yeah, yeah, Stan. It's a PNG file right now, but what happened was I just kind of I didn't make it transparent, so it kind of looks white in the background. So okay, okay. Let's see here. All right, I'm sorry. I'm just going through some of the questions, catching up. All right. Let's see. Bronson asked, are you for creating the mockups and samples? You can create as many mockups and samples as you want in your mobile site builder, but when you go to publish it is when you're actually going to be accounted for that. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. So as far as like mockups and things like that, creating like demos for businesses, yeah, you guys can create as many as you like. But as far as like when you go to actually publish, your app or your mobile website, that's when you start getting accounted for those. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. Okay, so Eric asks where the recorded videos found. You can find that in your coaching.squeezemobillionaire.com members area. Okay, if you go to like your mobile site builder, you'll see literally all these videos. So check it out. See on my left? These are all videos or step by step, like screenshot by screenshot instructions. So literally, I can't even go all the way down the page because it's so much. Okay, so for every single type of element that you guys want to create or use inside this tool, a suite for SqueezeMobillionaire, it's in there. You guys will find it in there. Okay, so hopefully that answered that question. Is the demo fully functionable? The demo is fully functional once you publish it. So let's say if you want to publish like one or two at a time, you're allowed to do that, and then take those ones off, and then republish your demos if you want. A lot of the times, the business owners, what I do is I get them over on the phone, and I'll just do like a little. There's a screen share tool you can use called join.me, and what I'll do is I'll just demo it for them right over the phone. Right over the phone on the computer. And if I need to, I can literally load it into a hosting into a host. I could publish it, and then we can literally demo it, um, right over the phone on their phone as well. So, however you guys feel comfortable with it. A lot of the times, business owners they're not gonna like take the time to pull it up on their own phone. But if you show it to them, and you literally have to show it to them like and do it for them, and then they'll pay attention. Maybe you can kind of do a little screen share with Jing, and you can just demo the mobile website on a video, and then just shoot it to them. Because a lot of the times, business owners are so busy, they just once they catch that, they'll really be like, oh, okay, wow, okay. Yeah, Stan. So you can show, a business a mock-up without publishing it. You know, you could basically just do, you can use a Jing tool and just screenshot it, or take a little video, or whatever you feel. Yeah, definitely. And let's see here. Are you able to put legal pages in the footers? Yes. Yes, Jeffrey, you are. So you could just add that at the bottom, like underneath here. Literally, I'll just say, legal info right here, and I'll just hyperlink that, you know, legal.com, whatever your legal, link is, right? Okay. So yeah, definitely you can add whatever you want, it's completely editable. So let's see here. Okay, let's see. How do I test on a mobile without publishing? Let's see. I'm not quite sure. Let me get back on that. What you can do is publish it, but then you know demo it, and then you could remove it from the cloud server, or just hit us up on support, like, and we'll basically just say that, hey, I want to publish this app as a demo for right now, and once you're done with that demo, just hit us up on support, and that way we take it off, and then we won't charge you extra for the extra demos that you publish. Okay, so hopefully that doesn't stop you guys from creating demos and stuff like that. Okay, let's see. Can you show us how to put a tab to call phone number on the homepage? Yeah, sure. So let's say I wanted to just change this. Let's see here. Okay, so let's say I wanted to make this a call button, right? Uh, Okay. Um, what I could do is just say, call us today, and hyperlink it with a telephone number. Just it's tel dot 888 dot 888 888. Okay, it's like that. Okay. Okay. So and then let's see here. I don't know why it came out on the bottom. Okay. Okay. So basically, that's how you do that. So just hyperlink it like that, and let's say you wanted to change out this video. Okay. All you would have to do, the code is already in here, and if you see here, if you look here on the top, there's a design HTML option you can click, and it's very simple. I know you guys. I know. I said you guys don't need to know too much about programming, so it's very simple. All you guys, if you want to switch out this YouTube video, right? All you got to do is just find the little YouTube link, right? And I'll just do Control Find and just type in YouTube, and it pops up right there. Okay, so it's that simple. So this is the link that you would switch out. Okay, basically to put a different video. So if I wanted to, let's say, put a different video in here, I can do that. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and just find the video. Okay. Okay. Let's see here. Okay. YouTube.
Hey Daniel, just wanted to double check. Can you hear me?
Yep. Yep.
Are you recording this or no?
Let's see. Yes. Yep.
Okay, great.
Yes, I am. Okay. Okay. So like, okay, let's just pick a random video over here. Um, Pause this. Okay. So in order to like switch out the video, all you guys have to do is go to any video that you guys want. Let's say this is the video, restaurant for that particular restaurant, right? All you would have to do is just go down to this little share tab, click embed, okay? And then just simply just copy this YouTube link from the www dot all the way to the end where the quotation is. Okay, guys, this is simple. I know you guys. I know most of you guys already know how to do this. You guys are most of you guys are advanced marketers. But for the sake of this example, I know we have a lot of new members, so I just want to make sure I do the complete step-by-step instructions for you guys. Okay, so you copy the YouTube link. All right, and then what you're going to do is basically you're going to replace that YouTube video, that YouTube link, with what you just copied. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, when you're done, you just click design, and there you go. See, the video it's now the new video. So, oops, wow. Okay, so it's just as simple as that, guys. So, and all of these pages are done for you. So all you would have to do is just go in there and edit all these all of these pages. And to do that, I'll show you guys on the next page. If you guys want to change out, let's say, the links for the Facebook, the easiest way to do that would be to go to the HTML option again, okay, and just switching out the link. So if you guys can copy and paste, that's as far as HTML that you guys need to know. Okay, so even anybody can pretty much do this. So okay, so I know what were we doing? We were basically going to change the Facebook link, right? So let's do that. So see this Facebook link at the bottom. So what we'll do is we'll click this HTML tab again, okay, and you'll just do Control F and just type in Facebook.com. Facebook.com. All right. All right, and then it should pop up. What the hell is it? Okay, here it is. So you see your Facebook link right here. Basically, we haven't put in a link yet, so it says 8. There's going to be a little. So that Facebook.com was irrelevant because we didn't put in the link yet. So if you want, just put in whatever your Facebook page is. So I'll just put one in real quick. Okay, so it's just like that. All right, so now it says SqueezeMobi. It's linked to SqueezeMobi. Okay, so all you have to do is this little href is just switch out the links. See this little this little pound sign. Just replace those. Okay, when you're done with that, you can click save. Okay, click save. It's done. And now, as you can see, all the things that we've edited is now there. So everything's hyperlinked to to all the respective places that we edited. So we changed this button into a face. I could remove this icon, which we could do that later, or I could replace it with something else. So now I changed this into a call list today, you know, and all of these pages. If you want to edit those, all you have to do is click this. So as you can see, I'm back at my main dashboard for the Daniel's Restaurant demo. Okay, so all of the respected pages, we can edit. Okay, so let's see here. So if you look to the left and look to the right, about us, product, services, contact, you'll see all of the pages that you want to edit. You'll see that on the right side. Okay, and this is your resource manager, basically where it's going to hold all of the pages that you're hosting on your cloud server. So this is the beautiful thing. What I love about SqueezeMobillionaire's platform is that when we update everything, and you, let's say you wanted to change an element of a mobile website that you've already published, instead of having to go in and manually update all the and update all these FTP files and things like that, you can go in here and switch these out, edit all the elements, and then republish it. And basically, because it's underneath the same hosting account that we're going to point it to, it's basically everything's on a cloud. So everything is kind of hosted already, on a server for you. And you don't have to deal with like FTP servers. You don't have to worry about, getting them to, point, to give you access to the website. All you would have to do is just have them point their mobile redirect subdomain onto this IP that we give you, and that's basically it. You just tell them to have their hosting provider do it, or they can do it, or you can do it, but make sure you charge them money. All right. Okay. So let's edit another one of these pages. Wait, you know what? First, let me look at the chat box real quick. Um, let's see. Let's see some of the questions here. Okay. Okay, so if my prospect clients have a dinner menu in PDF, how can I grab their PDF menu and put it in the demo site? So literally, you can create a tab in here and basically have it point directly to their menu. So like, let's see here, like services, in here, like underneath, so let's just do that for that sake of this example. What we can do is we could hyperlink it to whatever PDF is. So let's just say, if you if you want to display it here, you can have it be, a menu. Like we can delete this whole, we could take out this whole entire page and just have it forwarded straight to the menu if you want, um, and change it out like that. So let's see here. Gerd asks, "Is there FTP access for me?" No, there's no reason to get into the FTP because everything that you edit would be in here, and all of this stuff is hosted already on a cloud server. So once you publish, everything should be on the cloud server. Okay. Just give me one moment, guys. I'm just gonna take a drink of my water. Okay. Enrique, I know we had some questions about the mobile apps. If you can just take a look at those. On this
Okay.
particular webinar, I'm gonna focus on the mobile websites because I know like I'm gonna take a whole nother Q&A session just for mobile apps on the next Q&A session. But for this one, I know we had a lot of people that were just wanting to get up and running on the mobile website builder. But basically, a lot of the elements that I'm using to create the mobile websites is the same way you guys are gonna use it to edit stuff in the mobile apps. There are a couple of different little drag and drop options, but those videos are already in the training area. But go through those, and that way you'll be prepared for our next Q&A session where I'll just create a mobile app right over live. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, let's see. Okay, so let's see. Would a PDF menu have to be formatted for mobile screens? I think most PDFs are already formatted. I think most phones have this Adobe app where it reformats anything that has a PDF file. So that's really not too much of a concern. Yeah, once you create the mobile website, it's pretty easy to create it to a mobile app, and also vice versa. A lot of the times when I create these mobile apps or mobile websites, I'll upsell these clients into just publishing it for another $1,000 more for a mobile app. So this is why this is so great to have this tool. So let's see here. So I'm just going through these questions. Okay. Okay. I'm not too sure what that question was. So okay. So there is so when I edited this video, there's an option in here. It'll tell you exactly what sizing it is. Okay. So let's say when you click YouTube, it says YouTube video embed only, 320 by 265. So you'll have all the instructions on exactly how to hyperlink or add stuff. Okay, so let's say I wanted to just let's say I just wanted to make this a menu tab. I could just create that into a menu, and you know it's pretty simple. Like I wouldn't have to you know create another tab. I would just delete one of the tabs and just have this tab now forwarded straight to a menu or something. Instead of it being services, because they're not going to have services, right? And then maybe over here I could just do like specials or something like that. Okay, and whatever you want. What was this restaurant called? Bottega. Yeah. So it's just stuff like that. Just simple stuff like that. Monday only. Whatever you guys want to do. It's like it's that simple. So everything is just you just click and edit on it. So dine in LA. Okay. So yeah, see how I'm just kind of going through this and just creating these. So if I want to save it, I just save it. Okay. Okay. So let's say I want to publish this demo, right? All you would have to do is click ready to publish. Okay. And then I'll just click publish right here. Okay. Okay, let's see here. Okay. So I think what happened is I've already published it. Okay. Okay. Yeah, because I think it's because I've already published it under a different name. I'm gonna show you guys this demo that I had already published, and basically it'll show you guys exactly, because it's live right now. You guys can actually see it somewhere. Where is it? Okay. Okay, because I already kind of published this app, it'll basically it gave me that little error right there. But okay, so if you can see here, it says publish or unpublished, right? So when I go here and okay, when I go here to edit it, yeah, see, it's because I've already published it, guys. Sorry about that. Um, okay. Basically what happens is when you guys go to click publish, okay, it's gonna give you guys two-step instructions. One is to just it's gonna give you an IP address where it basically says where to point that hosting account to. Okay, so like mine was dg.bossmobiledesign.com. Okay, so what I had to do is I had to log into my cPanel of my whatever hosting account you guys have, and I pointed that part of the subdomain. So whatever it is, m.restaurantname.com, I pointed that subdomain into a specific IP address that it says here once I click publish. Because I already published this demo, is basically giving me a duplicate screen. So and that's basically it. Once you do that, it lines up basically the hosting with the domain. So every time somebody goes to that domain, our cloud server will basically, you know, display that mobile website that published. Okay, so it's that simple. Okay, it's pretty much click and go, drop in, go, and all you have to do is maybe edit a few, HTML elements. But it's pretty simple. I mean, I can't wait to show you guys the mobile apps because it's even more robust, and the features in it. I can't wait to show you guys like the GPS, the coupon options and things like that. So let me kind of go through the questions and okay, so there's a question here. Do I need to have a specific IP address for a mobile subdomain? Okay, you specifically don't have to have a specific IP address, but we're going to provide you, once you click publish, it's going to tell you, okay, go ahead and point your subdomain or whatever domain, even the full domain, to this IP address. And then once you do that, click deploy. And once you click deploy, it's basically going to copy all of the mobile website elements that you created into the cloud server, and it's going to point all of those things that you would have to manually update yourselves, on an FTP server. Otherwise, that's all done for you with a click of a button. Okay, because I already did that, it's giving me a duplicate screen, so I don't want to keep giving it an error. Okay. Do we use GPS with mobile websites? Yeah, absolutely. Inside the mobile app builder, there's a GPS option where you guys can basically load. You basically can load in, all different types of options. So I'll show you guys really quick. So let's say right here, so right here, see this little Google tab? Insert Google link right here. I would do that right there. So you would basically go to Google Maps, find the specific direction or the specific location, and just copy the link that it provides you for the address location link, and just drop it in there. And it's just simple as that. Now they have GPS right on the mobile website as well. Yeah, definitely. Okay. Hope that answered that question, Mark. No, we didn't, Todd. No, we didn't cover SEO on this particular webinar, but that's a really good, good point. Maybe on the next Q&A session, or we could do that, for just a straight Q&A session on just another, session one of these days, just on straight SEO, because yeah, definitely, getting ranked for mobile websites is very important as well. Okay, let's see. Yeah, Bruce. Yeah, I did go through the how to publish the mobile website. I'm not gonna log into the cPanel because that all that stuff. Some of you guys have to kind of go through that yourself. You guys have to know how to do that. So, um, basically, all it is once you're ready to publish the app. No, I'm sorry, not the app, the mobile website. All you guys have to do is go to your, just click publish, and it gives you the IP address where you're gonna point your subdomain to, and then after that, all you would have to do is basically, what's it called? Once you publish, then basically everything points to that domain. Okay, guys. So like, that IP address. So I know it's kind of it doesn't make sense. It might be kind of unclear right now, but it's a simple. It's like this: your hosting is like your address of where your of where all the contents are being held, right? And then the website, the domain, like restaurant.com. When people go to that, it basically is going to show up of all the. It's basically going to show all of the mobile website content that you guys created. Okay, so. Give me 1 second. I'm just kind of pulling up some of the questions here. Were there any other questions, E, that you see that were kind of in there? I know they're coming through a lot.
There's quite a bit. We
Okay.
do have 100 people here, so we're not going to be able to cover all of them since we're about at the 60-minute mark. But maybe you can go over the bonus that we added, if which I think Avi was discussing with you by email.
Yep, yep.
Because
Okay.
I know I mentioned that to everyone, and I think everyone will be pretty excited. That should be that's this is a pretty cool bonus actually. It's a really amazing bonus.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. Okay, cool, cool. Okay, so all right. So let me give you guys something that, I promised at the beginning of the webinar.
Actually, I see it right there
Yeah. So
on your screen.
yep. So Mobile Monkey, we basically loaded all of his templates into the SqueezeMobillionaire, and as you can see, they're all in there for you guys. So there's like, I don't know how many templates. There's quite a few.
There's
There's
nine. There's nine. Yep, we put nine. So nine additional mobile site templates, and it's for different restaurant niches. All right, so you can now work these restaurant niches, and it's pretty cool. So we wanted to just add nine more in there for you. We've been working on that for actually quite a bit, and so you have nine because restaurants is not just one restaurant niche. You want to be able to hit different restaurant niches as well. So when you close a restaurant, depending on if it's a sushi shop, if it's an Italian place, now you have nine more that you can build your sites off of. And and yeah, go ahead, Daniel.
Yep. So yep. So I know I remember when so I know that when I first started with mobile marketing, Enrique, and I think I told you guys this story before. Enrique, I told you this story before. When I first started, I was we didn't have Squeeze Mobilionaire. We didn't have this mobile website platform where it creates everything. Literally, you don't have to know HTML. It helps, but you literally don't have to know any of it, and everything is kind of drag and drop for you. In the beginning, when I started, you know, I remember one of the first products that I bought was Mobile Business in a Box from SqueezeMobi, and that was basically all. There was like nine, I think, mobile websites in there, but they were just the HTML templates. And I remember when I was creating those, and I mean, they were really good looking, but trying to like edit those and mess with HTML and Notepad plus plus and pulling up Dreamweaver and all these different types of applications. I was like, man, I was getting like a headache creating these mock-ups. So like now we literally have a platform, not only with just one of the SqueezeMobi products, but literally all of the SqueezeMobi products. In addition, we're adding Mobile Monkey. Mobile Monkey adds. He's one of our partners that creates these really hot, beautiful mobile websites that are. And he actually gave us permission to load up nine of these templates. And what a better way to start off with restaurants, because restaurants is really probably, if you look at the statistics, you guys already know, you guys are in mobile, how what's the number one thing that people look for on their phone usually, which is probably a restaurant, a bar, and how to get there. Maybe look up the directions, you know, maybe look at the menu. And when business owners realize that how important mobile websites are, it's a really easy sell, especially for restaurants, because they're literally competing every single day, with other restaurants. How are they going to get their customers coming back the next day? And what an easier way to have a mobile website created right from this platform. So basically, you know this is it. This is basically the bonus that we wanted to share with you guys today. This is already loaded for you guys in your office. So hopefully you guys, these will be able to add value to your arsenal of tools to basically close all these clients. Because literally now, you every single niche that we have, it's your niche now. It's basically, you can basically go into your marketplace and dominate, with just say, hey, you guys need a mobile website, pull it up on your phone, show them how crappy it looks on your phone. and just say, look, when I click back, here's another competitor right underneath yours, and literally, if they have a mobile website that, wow, great, then that's even going to push them even more to get one. And if you show them a mock-up, you know then it's pretty much an easy sell, and then it's an easy sell for a mobile app, and then it's easy sell for a mobile SMS campaign. So literally, you start off with one of these things, and then you move up to a higher sales. So literally, you can have 3 or 4 clients that are going to pay you, $2,000 to $3,000 for mobile services, because they're going to be, you're going to be bringing in much more business, and they're going to, you know, I literally show business owners, like, for $2,000, I can bring in $10,000 worth of clients for them, and it's almost a no brainer once I show the results, and once the results start showing themselves, and start showing the data. Okay, so I know we had a lot of people asking us for, um, you know, a lifetime option, unlimited option. So I'm just kind of curious. Is there anybody here that would be interested in an unlimited lifetime option for SqueezeMobillionaire? Currently, what that means is that we would allow you to publish unlimited apps and unlimited mobile websites. You will not be charged. Um, you will not be charged the normal SMS rate as well. You'll basically be charged per text message as you go. So like, you'll get complimentary already 3,500, but then after that you just get charged like a penny, I think. And then respectfully, you just check your the pricing, depending on if you're in Canada, UK. I think the pricing is 2 cents for Canada, and UK is, I think, 4 cents. But just double check that pricing schedule on the Squeeze Mobilionaire site, and it'll basically have that on there. So okay, great. So yeah, we have quite of a few people that are interested in that. So
Now,
what? Okay, go ahead, E.
yeah, I just wanted to say, our price that we've been charging for that is $2,000, and since a lot of people just got in, then with their first month, then we're dropping that to 1850, so $1,850. And if anyone wants to get in and is interested, we do have a new. Can you still hear me?
Yep.
Can you still hear me?
Yes.
So we do have one new person that did sign up. So I believe there's 3 more spots with the additional bonus that I know you said that you would walk these people through. You would walk them through and do an hour session with them, right?
Yes. So what I'm gonna do is, for whatever slots are available left, I'm going to give a 1 hour consultation over the phone or on Skype, and I'll walk you guys through anything that you guys have questions with. Mobile apps, mobile sites, SMS. You want me to help you get started? You want me to help you with marketing? I can give you some tips as well. I've done okay on marketing. I've been able to rank myself #1 for a mobile app developer in Los Angeles, which is, I think, is okay. So I can kind of give you guys a little bit of tips as well. So I feel that alone in itself is probably worth $2,000, because I paid $2,000 to learn that myself. So I'm going to share that with you guys, for whoever gets in as a lifetime member. I'm going to share that. That's kind of one of my secret strategies. So that's kind of that's going to be definitely limited. So yeah, um, basically what I'll do is I'll shoot you guys the links to whoever said yes. I'll send you guys a private link. Okay. So
Yeah, just put me if you're interested. If that sounds like a if something you're interested in, just put me and I will give you the link.
okay, great, great. All right. So is there any other questions we have here today, regarding mobile websites? Because today I want to focus on the mobile website builder. And we're gonna have a lot of these Q&A sessions, and I'm really excited, because I'm gonna be with you guys literally with every step of the way, helping you guys build your mobile marketing business. Because I literally built mine from scratch. Like, the tools that you guys have today are far more robust, and very user friendly versus what I started with. And I started when I started, I had to learn all that stuff. I had to learn all the HTML, and now that all these tools are coming out with SqueezeMobillionaire, basically just having drag and drop options, templates done for you. I mean, that's not even heard of. I didn't even heard of people having done for you templates for apps and mobile websites. I mean, I've seen some, but they're not like this. They're not click publish, ready to go, everything done for you. So yeah, so whoever's like really serious, with building like unlimited apps, unlimited mobile websites, the value is definitely there because if you commit to just building this mobile marketing business and you just keep going, I mean it's literally it's for whoever wants it, it's for whoever takes action, literally. Like it's the space out there to make money. It's so far and it's so wide that my competition, that is my friend. They're my friends. Like we hang. There's no competition. There's just so much space. Even in LA, like it's a very I want to say saturated market as far as like there's a lot of people competing for business, but when it comes to SEO, oh yeah, for sure. But for mobile marketing, dang, this literally shifted my business. Like without mobile marketing, I don't know if I'd be working from home. To this day, literally, I don't know if the money would have translated from SEO work, from just building websites. I mean, I would build websites for $300 a pop, and I spend like 2 weeks on it. But now I'm building mobile apps, publishing them for magazines. Publishing them, with celebrities on them, and I'll do that for like it'll take me you know 3 days tops, and I'll charge $1,000. And those 3 days, maybe I spent a couple hours on it. And now that you guys have done for you templates, man, I'll probably publish it. I'll probably create an app and publish it in an hour and charge $1,000 for it. Why? Because it's the value is from everything already being done for you. Everything is just created for you so that you guys can spend more time going out there marketing and closing these clients. And that's basically what we want for you guys, is going out there closing these clients. So we're gonna have more of these Q&A sessions where basically I'll help you guys. Definitely in the Facebook group, type in any comments that you guys have as far as like something you guys want to hear about, like for the next Q&A session. And yeah, I'll definitely try to address that. As myself, I'm new to the SqueezeMobi team, and I'm still learning a lot of the platform in itself. So we're basically learning together. And as I close new clients and get more clients, I'm going to show you guys just a lot of behind the scene things, that the way I do my business, and the way that you guys can apply it into your business, and also close clients and get more deals. So yeah. So let me check out the chat box and see if there's any other questions here. Hey Todd, so the Facebook page is gonna be in the SqueezeMobillionaire site, um, in the coaching website. Just go to coaching.squeezemobillionaire.com and log in, and then inside there, like I believe in the intro section, you should see a Facebook group link. Okay. Okay. Cool. Glenn wants me to talk
And
about.
guys,
Okay.
I just wanted to ask, is anyone planning on getting in on the lifetime membership? If yes, then please, let me know. Let me know your status, because I will go in right now and I will upgrade you, and then I'll just to see and make sure that you get access to Daniel as well, because it's kind of a manual process. So it's like I mentioned before, it's 1850. Okay? And if you do, then please, please let me know. All right? And I see a couple people saying that they're considering it. And do you think, yeah, Daniel, do you think you can go over it one more time, maybe?
The offer.
Yep, yep.
Yep. No problem. No problem. So it's 1850 because you guys already paid your 150 to get in for the um, for your monthly membership. To upgrade to the lifetime unlimited apps is 1850. And basically, what I'll do is, as a bonus, is that I'm gonna, I think we only have a few slots available left. If you guys are interested, leave me your Skype in the chat box, and Enrique will collect that for me, or your phone number, and I'll try to give you a call, or we'll get on Skype later today, and I'll answer any of the questions you guys have. Those that are interested in the lifetime option, hit me up, and let me know. That way we can kind of answer any questions, and we'll see if this is something that's going to be right for your business. Okay. So what I'll do is I'm going to basically get on the phone with you guys, and anybody that gets in, I think we only have a few slots, but for those that get in, I'm gonna, I'll basically I'll hold your hand, and I'll help you get your everything up and running. Whether that's your advertiser account set up, whether you're stuck on a question with the mobile website builder, the mobile apps platform, okay. But what I would do, you guys, is make sure that you guys go through the training, because a lot of the questions that you have, most like 99% of the questions that you guys have, are usually answered in the training section in all those videos and the step-by-step instructions. But when you get on the phone with me, you literally, it's you know, I won't hold back on anything. You want to ask me how I get clients? I'll tell you exactly how I get clients. You want to ask me, you know, how did you work with a celebrity client? I'll tell you. If you want me, I'll basically, you want to ask me why I have 3 computers? I'll tell you why. You know, and it works. Like I have like a strategy, and I have a system, that helps, bring in clients. I have like a strategy that closes clients, and I have a way that, my sales strategy and things like that. So there's a way that I kind of do my business in a structured format. So I'm not just, working from home and waking up doing, whatever I want. No, I wake up and I have a structure of things that I do. And, I treat it like a business, because at the end of the day, if I don't produce, I'm not going to eat. So, and you guys should treat it the same way as well. What changed my business is when I stopped looking at it as a hobby, and I said, I'm not going to try, I'm going to do it. I said, this is it. 6 years of struggling online, I was all like, okay, this mobile marketing, literally, we're in a position right now with where mobile is probably the highest form of advertising and cheapest form of advertising you can literally tap into right now. And as marketers, we need to capitalize on that trend. Remember when Google came out and people were jumping on Google AdWords, just killing it, making bank? I mean, this is the opportunity we have right now in front of us with mobile marketing. I was able to literally shift my business and work from home, starting from last year. Like, I didn't start right away. It took me a good year to build up, but I focused, and I scaled up my business to the point where now I get to work from home. I partnered up with SqueezeMobi, and now I'm teaching you guys everything that I've ever learned. And so that's what I'm here to do. Is I'm here to give you guys value, teach you guys, the things that's allowed me to move forward, so that you guys can all move forward, and we all just make money together. I mean, this is what it's all about. There's so much like there's so much money to make here in the space. Let's just get it, guys. That's right, Jens. Haha. That's right. He says he's in the streets. He's about to go crazy. He's about to hit the streets with mobile apps. All right, cool. So, yeah, guys. Basically, let me know if you guys get in on that lifetime membership. Um, I know that I didn't talk to Enrique about it, but I'm just gonna throw it in anyways. I'll tell you. Whoever gets in, I'm gonna give you that strategy on how I became #1 on in LA for mobile websites, for mobile app developer. So let me just show you guys really quick. So if I pull up Google Chrome, let's see, and I'll go incognito, so meaning I won't pull up any cookies or anything like that. I'll basically, it won't pull up my Google account or anything like that. So I'll go incognito, which means it won't draw any cookies or anything like that. So let's just go to Google, okay? And I'll type in best app developer. Let's see if I can type today. Developer in Los Angeles. Okay. So let's scroll down. So let's see how many people I have to compete with to rank for that. About 417 million. That's not that bad. I've seen worse. Okay. So let's see. This okay. It has to be mobile app developer. There we go. Okay. So as you can see here, best mobile app developer in Los Angeles. Okay. If I scroll down, I might not be number one, but I get a lot of traffic for this just for being on the first page. So what does this say? Los Angeles residents voted Daniel Garcia as best mobile app developer. What? Really? So according to Google, I'm one of the best mobile app developers in Los Angeles. All right. So so this little article is basically positions me as one of the best mobile app developers for Los Angeles. So basically, I'll have people hit me up and they'll say, "Hey Daniel, can you sign this NDA so that we can talk about a mobile app?" I'm like, "Yeah, sure, no problem." And I literally have this, pulling in traffic for me every single day. Um, Phone calls, emails, just uh, crazy stuff. Just all kinds of deals. And I don't really do too much marketing. I leverage online marketing to bring me leads. So I don't really do too much, walk-ins. I mean, I'll do a few once in a while for case studies for you guys. But a lot of my business now, I do a lot through referrals, and I do it a lot through leveraging online marketing. So whoever gets in today, guys, I mean, you guys have the tools, you guys got everything. Now, how are you guys gonna get heard, right? So yeah, that's something that I might share with you guys too, later down the line, as well. I'm going to teach you guys different strategies on marketing, how to get your guys's self positioned in the marketplace, how to basically just do different things, how to get leads. If you guys want to get leads tonight, post some free ads on Craigslist. Say that, hey, say you got mobile websites for 300 to 600 bucks, or whatever you want to charge for landing pages, right? That's free. That's free advertising, and businesses are always posting on Craigslist. There you go. You can get leads tonight. So I'm super excited just to show you guys, everything that I've been able to help elevate my business. So I'm not just here just teaching it. I'm actually in here doing it. So let's go ahead and check out the questions. Monthly fees. If you get in on the lifetime unlimited membership, Manfred, there is no fees. Okay, there's only fees for text messages past 3,500 a month. All right.
Okay, so I see also Susan got in on the lifetime membership, so there is still two more spots for your kind of initial consultation bonus. Is there anyone that's kind of planning on getting in on that as well? Yep. The monthly charge, Eric, goes away, so there's no $147 charge. All right. I mean, that's the biggest thing, right? So there's no 147. You pay 1,850 one time, no monthly charge, and yeah.
Okay. Cool. Cool. All right. Let's see here. Okay. Okay. Cool. Cool. Anybody have any particular questions? I think we answered most of the questions here today. Let's see here. Let's see here. Okay, Eric had a question about the $4 per month and $7 per month charges. I believe I okay. So that is for the advertising account. So if you get in on the lifetime membership, okay, let me back up. Okay, so for you guys that are already members of SqueezeMobillionaire, you guys already have access to the new members. You guys have access to one complimentary advertising account. So that account you can use to create mobile websites, mobile apps, publish them, do whatever you want. Okay, and you really only need one, to be honest, because when you publish the apps and mobile websites, that's all done from in there. And unless you really want to give them access, they don't really need it because they might go in there and mess stuff up. Unless they really want to, like, the only way I would see them going in there for is to maybe manage their SMS campaigns and things like that. But let's see here. But the $4 would be for any additional advertising account that you would create. And that would just be for, if you wanted to give your client access to the advertising account. Okay, so let's say you publish an app or a mobile website, you could have it be in there, and then they could have access to it and all that stuff if that's what they want. A lot of the times, like 9 out of 10 times, business owners just want you to take care of everything. If they're gonna pay you like a good amount of money, they don't want to deal with that stuff. Okay, so that's just my experience. Um, what does pay as you go mean for sites mean? Okay, so okay, Bruce. So for the additional websites as SqueezeMobillionaire members, I believe you're allocated a certain amount of mobile websites. I believe it's um, correct me if I'm wrong. I believe it's three, right? Mobile websites, or is it five?
Yep, five.
Okay, so it's five, and then any additional one is I believe $7 per month. Okay, but if you get in on the unlimited license, it's there's no limit. You could publish 1,000 apps. You can have 1,000 apps for every single business in your neighborhood, and you'll still pay your one-time fee. Okay, and then for the advertising accounts, we also give you like, I believe we give you three additional advertising accounts, in addition to your
Yep, three
complimentary one.
accounts.
Okay, so you get three total accounts of advertising accounts. So you can literally have two big clients if you really want to have their own accounts, or do whatever you want with them, sublease it, or whatever you like. Let's see. Okay, so let's see. Tech Daniel. Okay.
All right, so yeah, let's wrap it up because I know we're already 30 minutes over. Is there anyone else that's interested? I could give you the link. If you are, put me still if you're interested in that lifetime option, or anyone that's gonna get in on it right now. All right, because like I said, there's two more spots for that available. And if you do, I want to set you up right now, and there's a couple things I have to do. So,
Yep, just let us know. That way we can get you guys set up right away. There's just some manual stuff that we have to take care of in the back end. But yep. Okay,
and so what's the Ricky Martin story, Daniel?
the Ricky Martin story. So like, they're like a parenting magazine, right, in the UK. So basically, what happened is they have all kinds of celebrities that they publish for. So like, they had Rosie O'Donnell, couple other guys. I just can't even remember their names. And basically, they had me create these covers within the app so that people can buy their magazine. So it was pretty cool. I was like, I got to, I can kind of say that I got to do a celebrity sort of project, right? Because I published basically this digital app that basically, so you can basically buy magazines inside the app. So this company was like really happy because that's the main part of how they make money, is selling magazine subscriptions. So the primary focus was to just create an app where people can look at the magazine, kind of, a couple of the pages, and then they can literally tap on each magazine that they want to purchase. If they want to purchase the digital version, they could do that, or they could purchase it to the physical version. So that was the story behind that. That was pretty cool. So yeah, they're a parenting magazine in the UK. So in addition to that, they gave me wow, that client alone is probably worth like five figures, because they've referred me to another two other apps that we're probably going to be working on in the future. One with a surrogacy company, and then another one for another magazine within that particular niche. And those niches are those niches pay a lot of money for leads. So um, definitely gonna have to charge them in the 3 to 5 grand range for an app, because it's a no brainer for them. If they get one client off the app, they're gonna make $50,000. I mean, they're not gonna care about spending 5 grand with me. So that's kind of the position, and the way I look at a lot of the different issues that I work with. So that's why I love to work with lawyers, what's it called, realtors, just those high profile niches where you just work with 3 clients and you're good for the month. 3 clients at 3 grand, you're looking at a 6-figure business if that's all you run. If you work with 3 clients at 3 grand a month, you literally have a 6-figure business on your hands. This is that simple. You don't need to have 100 mobile websites to sell out there. You just figure out, okay, what is the, what's a high target client that I can just help out really quick, and it looks like they're losing out on clients, and I can show them that, and then I can solve this problem they have with this mobile marketing, and then just show them the value of, look, you guys are losing out on $50,000 to competition. Let me solve that for you here. Just here's five. Just give me 5 grand, and I could literally show you how to put $30,000 extra in your pocket. Or even 1% of that would be breaking even. And so just things like that. How I explain, and just the conversation with the business owners. When you really kind of just take time to just listen to them and what they say, and how they feel about their business, and you just kind of gotta listen. It's just a lot of people, they want something. It might not be like the mobile app right away or the mobile website. It could be just getting their website fixed. And that's fine too. I'll book them on that. That's fine. And this is just the best way to start a conversation, in my opinion. Is like, hey, have you guys thought about a mobile app? I mean, mobile apps are literally like, when business owners get mobile apps, they're so proud of them. They like to show their friends, they like to show their families, they like to show their business owners. I mean, they feel like this feeling of, hey, I'm with it. I'm in the trend. I'm in the market. And literally you're at everybody's fingertips once you're in their phone. Anyways, guys, I know I went on a little rampage, a little ramble. So I just wanted to make sure that I give you guys value, and we're gonna have a lot more of these Q&A sessions and things like that. So if you guys have any questions, make sure you just drop it in the question box. We're gonna go ahead and wrap it up probably within the next minute or so. So drop your phone number or your Skype in the chat box, and I'll follow up with you if you guys are interested in the lifetime option. We can discuss, further, whatever questions you guys have. Okay, and then we can see if this is a fit for your business. I know this is definitely going to be a great investment for your business, because one app that you sell would cover your whole lifetime fee. No joke. Okay, one client, like with the app, mobile app and mobile website and an SMS campaign, can easily just cover this. Okay, and all it takes is just taking action, guys. Are you guys going to allow your the same situation to come up? Like I know myself. 2 years like before, when I was struggling, I was thinking, if I don't make a change and I don't do something and really dedicate myself and treat it like a business, the results that I've been getting, they're gonna keep coming, keep being the same. If you take action, you get out there, you talk to clients, deals will close. I mean, it's inevitable. I mean, people need your services. People don't want to lose out on leads. People don't want to lose out on to competition. This is their livelihood. This is not just a mobile website. These are their customers not finding them, and just so when you think of it as not just like a mobile website, but what is the mobile site really going to provide for them? It's going to provide for them at the end of the day cash flow. So just a couple thoughts for you guys. Take action. Just go out there. Even if it's you build like an ugly mobile website, just go out there and show it to people. I mean, these templates are all done for you. Literally, you just switch out a logo or switch out some text, put their phone number in there, and let them tap it and touch it, and look around on it. I mean, just talk to them. I mean, that's the easiest way to go out and get clients, is just being out there, putting yourself out there. Talking to your friends. Telling your family, hey, this is what it is. So, all right, guys, we're gonna wrap it up. I just want to leave you guys with just take action, because you might not know the exact steps of exactly what to do, but just do it. Just do whatever, and then the next step will reveal itself. I'm not kidding you guys. It's just like when you're driving down the road, you can only see maybe 100 feet of what's in front of you. You know that there's a road, a complete road in front of you. There's miles and miles of road, but you can't see what's in front of you until you keep going. So take that first step, and the next step will reveal itself, and then just you'll close that client, guys. I mean, I can do it. I mean, I'm not no special. I'm nobody special. I've I'm not no like talented speaker or anything like that. I'm not like some sales expert. I just know what the client needs, and I just deliver that value to them. And I just say, hey, I give them the opportunity. Hey, look, this mobile website is what's going to really increase your business sales and get you guys going. So yeah, just a couple thoughts on mobile marketing and the way it my mindset is in the business. So hopefully I can share more of that with you guys, and hopefully I didn't go on too much today. And so yeah, we'll be talking soon. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna wrap it up. And Enrique, if there's
Okay.
not anything else, I think I'm good,
And
brother.
yeah, let me say some closing words. Anne is asking if she can pay via PayPal, and yes, yes, you can. And let me just send you the link. If you see there, that is the link, and it is just the PayPal, normal PayPal buy button. And I did see also one more person. I know Constance got in on this. So if the last person wants to take up Daniel on that 1 hour consultation, let us know. And yeah, um, I think that's about it. Anyone else have any last minute questions? If you want to put your number in or your Skype, then regarding lifetime option, Daniel will also get on a quick call with you. All right. Otherwise, yeah, let's wrap it up. Gary, if you can respond to my question that I put in there real quick. Gary Hickman, I know there's a couple Garys on here. And okay, okay. All right. Thank you so much, everybody. And yeah, we will definitely. Okay. Thank you, Constance. I also appreciate that. Let me just look right now and 1 second. I am just looking up if. Oh no, Constance. If you could please double check that address and just because I'm looking it up here in the back end and I cannot find you with Constance.hall at your email. Now, Constance, when did you sign up? And let me if you want to cut the recording, Daniel, I'll just take care of some last minute